Hi, today I'm going to show you how to buff your headlight. A lot of times, especially in the Southwest, this happens to our headlights, and it's really simple to fix, but you could pay a lot of money for it, like at a professional shop or something, but you can do it for really cheap at home. I'm going to use 3 different things. I've got sandpaper here. This is wet dry sandpaper. I'm going to start out with 1,000 grit, and then I'm going to finish off with 1,200 grit sandpaper, and I bought this at Harbor Freight for $3. And then you've got a cotton rag and a microfiber cloth. That's going to be for the polishing after you get done with your sandpaper. And this is a little bit of wax, car wax, that you can get at Walmart for a few dollars. Do this in 3 steps. The first one is your 1,000 grit sandpaper. That's to get this trashy stuff off. The second step is using 1,200 grit sandpaper. That makes it a more fine finish, and then we're going to finish off by putting on some wax and buffing that in, and that'll make it nice and clear. So first we're going to get a little bit wet because this is wet dry sandpaper, so you just keep it moist at all times, and then you just start with circular motions, and you want to get this first layer of trashy stuff off, so you just keep working it till you can tell that there's no more of this fogginess on the lamp lens. A 1,000 grit, we're going to move to 1,200 grit. This is going to be the final pass to get it nice and clear. But you can use anything higher than 1,200. The higher the better. Alright, that looks nice and clear. Just keep rolling. I'm just going to dry it off and show you what it looks like. It won't look good, but it's okay. The good thing is all the fogginess is actually gone, and we've scratched the surface, so now once you dry it, it doesn't look very good, but that's what the car wax is for. So we're going to take our cotton cloth to begin with, and you can just put some on the cloth, and you're gonna rub it in there into all these cracks until it's a dry coat. I just let that wax sit for a second so it dries in all those cracks that we made, all those fine scratches that we made with the sandpaper. You're going to use the microfiber cloth to finish this off. So we've put the polish into those fine scratches that we made, and now you're going to use your microfiber cloth to buff them out. And that's it. 3 easy steps. 1,000 grit sandpaper, 1,200 grit sandpaper. You put in some car wax, buff it out, and your lens is clear again.